Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. As you can tell, it's raining again in South Florida. I'm going to show you our 1994 Dodge Viper. It has 700 horsepower, so I'm not taking it out in that weather. It's in our pending sale or sold warehouse. This is where everything goes before it leaves our facility. And the reason is, it's sold on eBay, but the gentleman did not realize that if he was going to import it into Australia, it had to be 25 years old, and it's just under that. So we're going to relist it up for sale, but I wanted to do a video, a startup, and a walk around so you guys can get familiarized with this vehicle. Right here I laid out all the paperwork from when we purchased it. It's a Hennessey 550 with a Roe Racing Supercharger and methanol injection. So this is not for the weak of heart. This is a really, really fast car. It's actually very streetable, but once you get on it, it's going to go everywhere. It has 345 Nidos in the rear. Those are super wide. That's like this wide. Paint's super nice. It has the third generation wheels on it. I'm going to go over this paperwork here. So when we got this specific Viper, I went for a test drive. I felt that it was missing, so I sent it out to get inspected. They saw that one of the compression ratio was low on one of the cylinders, so I sent it out. We had the aluminum heads redone, and we did comp cam valve springs, comp cam conical valve springs, and then we did titanium retainers, and we helicoiled all the intake, exhaust, and rocker arm bolt holes. So that cost me $1,700 just in the heads. Then we did Cometic gaskets, and it runs unbelievable now. What I recommend is if you're going to purchase this out of Florida, bring it to a tuner. That's the best thing to do when you buy something like this. Bring it there, get it dyno tuned, and they'll be able to set it up for you. I'm gonna jump inside it right now and start it up because that's probably all you care about. It doesn't have that common Viper issue when you have to crank it twice because the fuel pump is not working properly. You ready? This is a cold start. It's ridiculous. If you come over here, you can see some of the gauges. So we've got our boost gauge here, your 180 mile an hour speedometer. This thing goes over 200 miles per hour. Your shift light, your radio, and then all your other gauges. I should probably shut it off so you can hear me, but it's so awesome. So awesome. Let me shut it off. As you can tell, it's obnoxious, but when you're going down the road, this thing will turn everybody's head. I'm gonna pop the hood. Can you go on that side and just pull the hood so we don't stretch it? Under the hood, we have a Roe Racing Supercharger. Every single fluid has been redone in this car within the past 5 miles. So you can get it and jump in it and enjoy it. But as I said, if you're going to get on it really hard and you're not from this area, bring it to a tuner that's local to you that does Dodge stuff. They'll be able to see it and set it up for you. The paint flows evenly throughout the whole entire body. It does have a custom top on it that makes it look like a hard top. This is painted on. These are not vinyl graphics. It's got a wing in the rear, and then your exhaust flows out of both sides. So if you come over here, you'll be able to see it much better. But the paint, very, very nice. And if you have any questions about this car, give us a call, 954-363-2261.